Big moves are coming for Bitcoin, and this is your heads up. Price versus while money flow is low, trades in favor shows a 78% chance of a pump. We've just dropped into the breakout zone. If we get a buy or strong buy signal, you need to be ready for moves potentially above $120,000. Are you ready for what happens next? Guys, we are holding within a tight structure, and as soon as we break out, most likely when we push out of the breakout zone here, this is where massive moves, highly profitable moves, are coming. Now, this comes after we got a strong sell signal. This one actually ended up failing. While we did see a technical slight move down, it's nothing compared to other sell signals we've seen. This tells me we could be seeing a short squeeze to the upside, and this is something that our members have been warned about in our future forecast episodes. And that is on top of how interest rate drops could crash the market one last time and how we're using that opportunity as a low altcoin grab. Tomorrow's future forecast is going to talk about wealth transfers and how to stay uncorrupted and how to stay a good person even when you suddenly have a crazy amount of money in your account. If you're not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month and get $550 off the indicators we are using today. Let's dive right in. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. Bitcoin is holding tight within this formation. Consolidating range formed just under all-time highs with a strong support near $115,000. With that in mind, the TC top and bottom finder is actively touching and forming support with this blue mid line. We've actually touched this twice and bounced right off of it. But there's not much room to move anymore on this blue line. I think as soon as we have candles fully open and close on this line, this is where we could see major moves up. Price versus while money flow is low. This means whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market. And you can see a great example of this right here. Price versus while money flow low. As soon as while money started buying into the market, this is where we saw moves up. Trades in favor shows a 78% chance of a pump, and this means that downwards momentum has likely run out and we should be seeing a bounce to the upside. The last signal that we want to see is a buy or strong buy signal, and most often this is going to indicate an ideal candle entry, and this comes from the TC top and bottom finder. The last important indicator reading to pay attention to comes from the breakout detector. Since we've dropped into this zone, it means we have very little volatility in the market. As we push out of the breakout zone, this is where sudden moves happen. Major moves in the market happen, typically short squeezes, especially when we have bullish sentiment through a bullish trifecta. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low after exiting out of the breakout zone resulted in a total move up of 17% on Bitcoin. And for those of you that have been in the market for a long time, know that altcoins tend to move 2 to 3 times the amount of Bitcoin does. So this is movement anywhere between 30 and 60% to the upside. Guys, big moves are coming no matter how you look at it, and you need to be ready. We already have 2 of the 3 signals that we use to call our insane 304 win rate with 0 losses over the last 29 months. The last signal we need is just that buy or strong buy signal. Now, I know you're busy. I'm busy too. I can't be watching the charts 24/7. So what we're doing instead is setting some alerts. Go ahead and click create alert. Switch this to the TC top and bottom finder, keep it as a buy signal, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert, TC top and bottom finder again, this time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and click create. These 2 alerts are going to help you find the next bullish trifecta. They are the last signals we need, and if we get a buy or strong buy alert, it means a buy or strong buy signal has posted on your chart with price versus while money flow low, with trades in favor low, and as a breakout detector zone reading is in the market. Guys, this could be a fantastic entry for an insane move up. If all goes to plan, guys, we're looking towards $120,000 on Bitcoin. Now, this may not sound like a lot, but if we're able to even break this level, which is highly possible, with whale money moving into the market, guys, even more profits could be made. If you don't have these tools on your chart yet, now is the time to snag them. You are going to miss out on fantastic opportunities if you're not watching closely. In addition, our members are getting really strong coaching and training twice a week in the future forecast episodes, on top of massive discounts up to $550 off these indicators. So to maximize your discount and get access to the best data possible, you're going to want to head down into the links in the description right here. Very first link is what we're looking for. You're going to get 25% off at that first link. Click indicators, click Pro Indicator Pack, but first, now that you're a member, snag this coupon code here. Once you've clicked Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code here, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to give you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off for a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Guys, Bitcoin is showing massive bullish sentiment right now, and if we break this level, we're going to see huge moves up. Stay tuned in the membership for that future forecast episode, and don't miss what comes next. See you soon.